Hello everybody, once again, Mr. UnBreakIt here. So package, I don't know what this one is either, but I'll tell you whatever harebrained idea I had whenever I ordered it. I love getting packages. Everybody loves getting packages. Oh, I know what this is. This is a product that I just used recently. This is a carrying case for the little mini projector that is Bluetooth, portable, rechargeable. It's got 360 sound. I was impressed with the little projector. But that being said, they gave me a free carrying case. Message me, I'll tell you why. Mr. UnBreakIt.